The jury in the trial of Ray Shetler will likely get the case and begin deliberations this afternoon. Shetler is the Westmoreland County man charged with capital murder in the death of Officer Lloyd Reed 2.5 years ago. Westmoreland County Bureau Chief Ross Gadotti's been following the case and has the latest from inside the courtroom.
Closing arguments began about 9:30 this morning with Mark Daffner, the defense attorney for Ray Shetler, telling the jury a number of things, including the fact that they need not look at this as valuing one person's life over another. He also went on to say that first-degree murder has to be done with premeditation, intention, and malice, and he contends his client had none of that. He said that Ray Shetler, based on what Ray Shetler believes happened, was justified in shooting at Officer Reed. He also said that we, the defense, don't have 1,000 witnesses to bring in, but it's not the quantity of evidence, it's the quality of evidence. Now, of course, immediately after that, you had John Peck. He took to the prosecution's closing, and he said that premeditation can come in a second. The defendant admitted on the stand that he, in fact, was wanting to kill Officer Reed when Officer Reed opened fire on him. He also said to draw a reasonable conclusion and common sense conclusion that the person holding that .270 rifle was holding it at his shoulder and aiming at Officer Reed. Now, why does that all matter? The defense contends that Shetler was firing from the hip. Ballistics and trajectory expert testified there was no way that could happen, and that Ray Shetler had to have been shooting from his shoulder, looking through the scope with intent to shoot Officer Reed. In the end, it comes down to whether the jury wants to believe that in this case, Shetler was trying to defend himself from what he said was a mysterious trespasser, or they're going to believe the prosecution side that said Ray Shetler was angry. He saw Officer Reed, and he wanted Officer Reed to go away and do that by allegedly murdering him. Now the jury has the charge, which means the judge is giving them instructions, and after that, it's a matter of deliberation. We will be here for all of it. In Greensburg, Ross Gadotti, KDKA-TV News.